Hello and welcome. It's Declan back with another video. I've just added my strip light here, so just to enhance the videos a bit and jazz things up. So I'm just going to talk today. My previous video was the YouTube short just before Meta had reported their earnings. So now that they have, I will just give you the details of how things have gone on. So if you do like this video, please give it the like, hit the like button, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. It'll greatly help me out and I'd greatly appreciate it. So yeah, you can see what it's trading at now, 98.35. And you can see when it opened this morning how much it gapped down from just over the 130, 136 previously a day or so ago. And now it's, yeah, that's the gap. That's what happened after the earnings report. So I'll just take you onto the chart or onto the article now. So this is the article on CNBC. So it's written by Sophie Pitts. So full credit to Sophie for this excellent article. And do check out in your spare time, check out CNBC. CNBC is an excellent stock market analysis website, and they also have Closing Bell on as well, which I'll talk about again in a previous video if you're interested. So here's the article anyway. So Meta shares plunged 23% to its lowest price since 2016. Yeah, that's very significant. Lowest price since 2016. So the parent company of Facebook reported its second straight quarterly decline. Meta's Reality Labs division, which houses its VR headsets, lost over 9 billion in the first three quarters. Yeah, that's a massive amount. So Morgan Stanley, Cowen, and KeyBank downgraded Meta on Thursday, citing increased spending. So I'll just take you down through the article now. So shares of Meta plunged 23% Thursday morning. That was, yeah, 23%. So now they're down minus 24.25 on the live charts. Now they're down even more at 7:30 in the evening. So shares of Meta plunged 23% Thursday morning as investors and analysts digested the company's third quarter earnings miss and a weak fourth quarter outlook. Shares were trading under $100 at market open, the lowest price since 2016. The parent company of Facebook reported quarterly revenue of 27.7 billion Wednesday, a decline of more than 4% year over year, and its second straight quarterly decline. Its profit plummeted 52%. Now that's a huge drop to 4.4 billion. I know 4.4 billion sounds a massive amount still, but like to have your profit plummet 52%, yeah, this is bound to have an effect on the share price. So Meta warned the fourth quarter would be more of the same, issuing a weaker than expected outlook. Its expected revenue for the fourth quarter, it's expecting revenue for the fourth quarter to be 30 billion to 32.5 billion. Analysts were expecting sales of 32.2 billion. So yeah, that's down as well. So Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who you're all aware of, reiterated his commitment to spending billions of dollars developing the metaverse. Meta's Reality Labs unit, which is responsible for developing the virtual reality and related augmented reality technology that underpins its plans for the metaverse, lost 9.4 billion so far this year. Yeah, also more of a drop. So on Thursday, so Morgan Stanley downgraded the stock Thursday, citing higher spending. Analyst Brian Nowak slashed his price target to 105 from 205. Yeah, he dropped it by 100. So that was his price target. So as I said, it's trading at 98 now at the moment. He expects the company issues to persist as Meta continues to increase spending to build out its AI capabilities. So Cowen's John Blackbridge also downgraded Meta to market perform from outperform and lowered his price target to 135 from 205, citing the higher trajectory of operating and capital expenses. So KeyBank's Justin Patterson lowered his rating on the stock to sector weight from overweight, also citing rising costs. Since the start of the year, Meta shares are down by more than 61%. Yeah, 61%. That's a massive drop year to date. So it's been hurt by competition from rivals such as TikTok. And like, I don't really use TikTok myself. I've watched it a few times, but like a lot of the ads are very short form, quick videos, that kind of stuff. So that's, yeah, the rivals such as TikTok has really taken off this year from what I've heard anyway. So plus a broad slowdown in online ad spending and challenges from Apple's iOS privacy update. So yeah, the iOS privacy update has caused issues and companies are finding it hard to keep up with that as well. So both of these things have affected the share price of Meta, and that's why it's been down 23% today. And like, these are the live charts as I'm showing you here. It's 98.06, 98.08. So I'll just go on to the 1 minute charts. You can see the gap down this morning now from what I've shown you there. So yeah, the 1 minute charts, I'll just plus it up there a bit now for you. So yeah, so it's bullish at the moment. There's a bullish candle, but that's just the 1 minute time frame. So if you're buying a stock or analyzing it as well as going into balance sheets and all that kind of thing, I would always check the higher time frames, the 4 hourly, the daily, the monthly, just to get an overall view of the pattern. Is it on an upward trajectory? Is it on a downward trajectory? And then check out all these articles on, say, CNBC, and to see how their previous earning reports have been doing, with how the share price has fluctuated, and is it a good buy or not at this time. So all that analysis will come into play when you're analyzing any stock. So I just said I'd give you this market update on Meta just to show you how it has done after the earnings report. And yeah, 23% of a drop this morning, and now it's down over 24%. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this update, and if you did, please do give the video a thumbs up, and please hit the like button. It would share the video with more people, and it'd help grow the channel, and it'd make me very happy too. Ha ha. Okay, till next time. Thanks again.